Welcome to the trees. Today we will know about England. England is one of the most recognized countries in the world. It is the most extensive and popular territory. Among the countries that are part of the United Kingdom, bordered on the north by Scotland and west by Wales, the North Sea, the Irish Sea, the Ocean Atlantic, and the English Channel. England has the capital of London. This is recognized worldwide for owning the Buckingham Palace home of the British royal family. Among many deals that make important in the world, this country's kids and diversity of place on a diversity of places and tourist attractions that reflect in general the historical detail of these people and its nations. The weather. The English climate is very varied from one moment to the another. The cool and the rain that may be in the morning, suddenly transportation, and a sunny day in just a couple of hours. The temperature in England has a maximum of 30 degrees in summer and minimum of -5 in winter. The otherwise languages. Aggie is known in England. Inhabitants use the English languages native of the Western Germany, influences of the French, Northern, Latin, and Scandinavian. There are also other languages such as Cornwall, Satin, Cambridge languages that are almost extinct. The economy. As is known, the United Kingdom is one of the main industrial and commercial nations worldwide, holding the fifth place in terms of gross domestic product after United States, Japan, Germany, and China.